If you've just launched a new website and want to rank higher on Google, this quick 5-step SEO checklist will help you get started the right way. Step 1. Keyword research. Begin by finding what your audience is searching for. Focus on long-tail keywords. They're easier to rank and bring more targeted visitors. Step 2. On-page SEO. Optimize every page properly. Use your main keyword in the title, URL, and headings. Write clear meta descriptions, add alt text to images, and use internal links. These small changes can boost your rankings fast. Step 3. Technical SEO. Make sure your site works smoothly. Fast loading, mobile-friendly, secure with SSL, and set up your XML sitemap and robots.txt. Technical SEO helps Google crawl and index your site correctly. Step 4. Quality content. Content is still king in 2025. Create helpful, engaging content that answers real questions. Use visuals, keep your writing simple, and update old posts to stay relevant. Step 5. Backlinks and promotion. Get your site noticed. Build backlinks from trusted websites, share your posts on social media, and use Google Search Console to monitor performance. Backlinks show Google your site is trustworthy. That's your 5-step SEO checklist for new websites. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll set your website up for long-term success. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips every week.